Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Look at this adorable table from Zedesey.
Lately, I have been completely obsessed with anything that is rattan, and this little side table is so cute. It was so easy to put together. It comes wrapped up super nicely, and all you have to do is screw the legs into the bottom of the table, and voila, you have the cutest little side table that ever was. I have this one in the natural wood color, which I really love because it is so nice and neutral and it goes in any room in any space. So, whatever you are needing to use this little side table for, it is going to be perfect for that. I was trying this out in so many different spaces in my home. It perfectly matched my new rattan dresser that I got from my guest room and looked so cute next to it. I can imagine having a little water station for my guests in their guest room. I also tried it out in my bathroom as a little bathtub station where I could keep my dry brush and my Epsom salts. And I ended up deciding on having it in my bedroom as my little diffuser station. It is so cute and perfect, and I am so in love with this table. I can't say enough good things about it.
I think this is the cutest little table to add to any room, and that is my point of view.